Hi, well today in today's video we're going to see my hubby cooking, and together we're going to make yummy cabbage rolls. Now that's a fall thing. Okay, so we're going to start making cabbage rolls. I have the cabbage cooked here, all ready to, and it's all nice and cooled off, so I can take the leaves and fill them with the filling. Should work really good. And Dave's gonna start cooking. This is our spare cabbage. Might do more, I don't know. But Dave's got his supplies out here, needs his cans. His cutting board already. We got the rice cooked for the stuffing. And then Dave's gonna start chopping everything up. The cabbage just falls apart nicely. I don't know if these are special cabbages or what, but they were flat when Dave bought them.
They're called flat cabbage.
Oh, they're called flat cabbage. Maybe they're made for cabbage rolls. Maybe they're made for cabbage rolls. I don't know, but that's what it looks like before you cook it. Very flat. This is just a little reminder that if you haven't subscribed, would you please subscribe? I would really appreciate it. And if you like this content, give me a big thumbs up. And it would be lovely to hear from you. So if you're new, just drop me a little line in the comments and say, hi, I'm here, Sharon. Okay, thank you.
Cooking with garlic, this is the best way to do it because it's already chopped up. Half a teaspoon is 1 clove, so it's calling for 3 cloves, but I'm double back, but six cloves, so that's 3 teaspoons. See how nicely finely it's chopped. And you get this big jar at Costco. Teaspoon of dillweed. Tablespoons of fresh parsley. And 2 eggs. Calls for ground pork, but we're using pork sausage. In case you're wondering, this is the type of knife I'm using. We're not getting paid to advertise it, but great knives, really, really sharp, so you have to be careful with them.
Skin in the sausage. I guess I could help. Okay, we got canned tomatoes. We got the roast, the
Okay, what did I put in there?
ground beef.
1/3 1 can. 1.5 cups of that. 1.5 cups is 250. Oh yeah, that's paste.
Quarter cup of tomato.
No, that goes in the sauce later with the tomato soup. Okay, so now
Cabbage just puts them in here.
I know, just 1/3 of a cup in there.
Oh, okay. That's what I wanted to know. We will take a picture of the recipe and post it. And this is called Grandma's Best Meatloaf.
No, easy cabbage rolls.
Oh. Yeah, this is called easy cabbage rolls. Don't look too easy to me. Anyhow, they're going to be delicious. That's parsley, onions, and garlic.
Black pepper or white pepper?
Hot pepper, good. You gonna mix it with your hands?
Yep.
And then cook it.
Yep.
And he's gonna mix it with his hands. That's why he put gloves on. And if we just threw the rice in there, we didn't even have to cook it.
Do we have to boil cabbage? Cook pork, turkey, beef, onions until no pink. Drain any fat, then add the rice. Okay. Then chuck the pork sauce in.
And you're gonna cook that all up, and that's gonna make a heck of a lot of cabbage rolls. I gotta cook the other cabbage. Now we're gonna cook this till it's not pink anymore. Now you're gonna use the flipper. We let this cook for a little bit until everything wasn't pink. And we added a bit of Worcestershire sauce to the mix as well. And then we added in the rice. And it smelled. You cut the gore out. There we go. And I'm going to cut some of this. That's yucky, so we'll take that off of there. And we'll take. Yeah, I think I really want to. And we're left with a nice head of cabbage. Yeah, and you just put that in water and cover it up. Put what's left. Put it on high. And just let it sit there and boil. And we'll do the rest. Put the lid on a little bit, not gonna hurt it. And let it sit in there and cool off. And then we'll rinse that pan. Yeah, it's all good. It smells very good. By this time I was getting quite tired, and I got all the cabbage rolls stuffed, and I didn't end up cooking them in that pan. I ended up cooking them in a 9 by 13 cake pan, and I didn't get any pictures of it. I just got a picture of it covered going in the oven. Anyhow, there is a picture of what we didn't eat. Here's our creation going in the oven, and it was delicious. Anyhow, I'd like to thank everybody who's watched. If you do, please subscribe. And if you want to see more cooking videos, let me know. Bye.